Hello friend, please join me today. Let's make the most delicious and nutritious rice and beans that you would always enjoy making and eating any day, anytime and anywhere. I got you. Come on, let's go. So while the beans is boiling, let's start by slicing our vegetables. I have here with me some tomatoes, onions and carrots. At this point, the oil is ready for frying, so I start by frying the tomatoes, thereafter the onions and the carrots. So while it's getting ready, I'll check up on the rice that is in the boiler, and also I have some fish in the air fryer to complement the rice and beans. At this point, just add in the boiled beans. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is so yummy. Then we get into spicing with curry, white pepper, garlic, bardia, paprika, nor, you name it. Pour in some crayfish. Woo. Blend in the spices. Add some water, just a little bit, and then keep it to cook for a while. Okay, look at the fish. It looks ready, people, ready to eat. So switch it off, and yeah, I'm checking back on the beans. The beans is ready at this point. Oh my goodness, please try to cook some beans for yourself. It's so good for your health. Then just add in some oil for a final touch. I like what I see. Okay, let's serve some and taste what we just made. Look at that, look at that. What? I can't wait to eat this. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, this is so delicious. Oh, this is so good. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's perfect. I encourage you to cook some rice and beans right away. It is just perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so good.